Hey people, so I'm doing a recording after so long. It's I've pretty much stopped doing these recordings, right? So I just have to say that there is this show on Netflix called Baes. Funny name, yeah, but it's basically Byron Bay is a place in Australia that is near the Gold Coast. And basically, the show is all about, it's a reality TV. It's all about this group of content creators who kind of, they kind of gather in this place called Byron Bay. And the show is called Byron Bay as in BAE, but this is Byron Bay, BAY. I know, a very detailed observation, but truly this show is something that will make you think that if a group of well dressed people get together and they are only partying and all, they have such silly reasons to fight over. Yeah, like, no, like how Sadhguru says, right? If the tummy is empty, you have one problem. If the tummy is full, you have 100 problems. So a show like Byron Bay will personify this, because fights over the silliest, craziest topics. I mean, okay, you can say that the problems for the people in that show, it must be like really huge, but anyone watching from a vantage point, it's like ridiculous. Yeah. So but anyway, this is one of these reality TV's shows that you can watch, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.